Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if your device stopped responding, the screen stopped responding. For example, when the app crashed and you cannot tap on anything, you cannot do anything, you can try to force restart your device. And all you have to do in order to do that, we have to press the power button, which is located right here, long enough until you will see the black screen and the developer's logo, and your device will be restarted. So let me press the power button. Let's ignore everything. Let's ignore that we've got this reboot option. Let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. And as you can see, right now we've got the black screen, we've got the developer's logo, which simply means that your device simply will restart the system. So right now you have to wait. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.